Today I'll teach you how to use Newtonsoft as JSON Serializer in ASP.NET Core. So let's start. First I'll open the startup.cs class. So here I am adding a namespace Newtonsoft.json.serialization. Now let's move to the configure services method. So here I'll be calling the add MVC function. Now here I am calling add JSON options and I am setting the serializer for the JSON serialization. I am making use of Newtonsoft JSON serialization in this project. The reason being that the default serializer converts the property names to camel case. For example, if your property name is first name, then when you are accessing the property through Ajax on client side, then it will be changed to small letter first name. Like for example, the capital letter F in the property will be changed to small letter F. So in such cases, it becomes very difficult to actually access the properties. And let's say on server side, you have capital F and on client side, you have small f. So it leads to inconsistency in the code also. So to avoid that, I am using Newtonsoft JSON Serializer, which solves this problem and makes it easy to use. So this completes the startup.cs class code and JSON Serializer has been set. With this we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to use Newtonsoft as JSON Serializer in ASP.NET Core. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.